Hi, honey. Hi. You're so beautiful. This is my darling daughter, Susanna. She's so precious. My girls love to dance. They can really dance the night away. They love getting their exercise in and dancing around while Daddy's working out and Mama is vegging on the couch with her babe. She's so cute. There she is. We have to of course, a picture of all four of them. We love it. The girls love exploring. This is one of our favorite spots where we live. We decided to have family fun Fridays and also dates with each of our kids. This is just some of the footage. See how cold it is. Get closer. Get closer.
It's a little bit cold and it's warm.
So it's like mildly cold?
Look, a stick.
What's in the jungle?
Poison frogs.
Oh.
That you can't touch. Otherwise, you can only touch them with water.
Oh.
And be quiet.
Say hi to them. We'll give them your bread. Give them the bread. Say here, ducks. Friendly ducks. Ready? Set. And go. What's the tie?
What?
Is there a tie? We both win?
We have to run all the way to that side.
Boom! I got it! Let's go. Hello, on a date with Esther and the baby. She's a little cranky, we brought her with. On a date.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
We get what?
What did you get?
Like popsicles and a flamingo.
Oh, yeah.
Flamingo
Dollar Tree, one of our favorite places to get stuff.
at the dollar store.
Sounds like fun. I can't wait. Got some prizes for when you guys get your schoolwork done too.
Yeah.